Peel the past, ice it down, potatoes in the pot. Boil them up with a little salt. Oh yeah, it's getting hot. 20 minutes simmer slow till they're soft like dreams. Stab that fork, feel the flow, potato magic in the steam. Onions sizzling, golden bright, walnuts cracking, feels so right. Goat cheese swirls, creamy tights, wrap it up, let the flavors collide. Knish-knish, a taste so fine, from Ukraine with love, one perfect bite at a time. Puff pastry dreams, golden and crisp, dill in the air like a folklore kiss. Knish-knish, oh let it roll, heart and soul wrapped in dough that warms the cold. Roll it out, stretch it wide, flour dust on our hands. Pastry sheets like snowy fields from distant lands. Fill the heart, fold it tight, pinch the seams with care. Brush that egg yolk shining bright like a sunbeam's glare. 375, the oven set, 40 minutes, no regrets. Memories baked, history's dish, a family hug inside a Knish. Knish-knish, a taste so fine, from Ukraine with love, one perfect bite at a time.